Hi all, welcome to T&D Style. We will semi tester budget pay set collection. If you set purchase WhatsApp through purchase. First is a pink shade. Top is semi tester fabric. We daily wear use set. Budget pay semi tester. Top is golden border. Golden border top in the front back top party wear daily wear use set semi tester fabric lightweight set dupatta beautiful dupatta black and pink color combination color shade pink and black color combination dupatta top same golden border tassels attached. We party wear function wear use beautiful dupatta 2.5 meter. We double side use one side use bottom is soft silk bottom beautiful set price is $950 with free shipping. Next is a yellow shade. Top is semi tester. Tester and same feel semi tester fabric. Top in end light pattern border attached. Back front border. Top is beautiful set. Dupatta is color combination. Yellow and pink color combination is dupatta. Dupatta end light this border is top with the same border tassels attached. Bottom is soft silk bottom soft fabric. Price is $950 with free shipping. Next is blue shade. All color shades. 5 shades. Top in the back is pattern. Top color combination dupatta orange blue color combination dupatta set top the same border dupatta bottom soft silk bottom price $950 with free shipping. Next is green shade. Top in the front and back same pattern than top top in the daman pattern border golden color border dupatta beautiful dupatta yellow and green color combination dupatta dupatta end light top same border dupatta 2.5 meter top lengthy top bottom is the cotton silk bottom price is $950 with free shipping. Next is the red shade dark red reddish maroon shade top in the front and back same pattern top and dupatta with semi tester fabric bottom is soft silk fabric dupatta is beautiful dupatta reddish maroon and black color combination dupatta bottom is soft silk bottom price is $950 with free shipping. This is semi tester set daily wear use set set purchase WhatsApp through purchase YouTube video like share subscribe. Okay, thank you.